A very good evening once again. My name is again Rotmasi Heipo, a student of Good University, Faculty of Medicine. In today's video, I'll be taking you through on how to create a presentation given a topic. In my previous video, I told you all on that terms used in Excel, like slides, transitions, the animations. Yes, today we are going to do the actual work. Yes, so I'll come to my PowerPoint. Then I'll click on the blank presentation. Remember, I'm going to create my own presentation. I'm going to show us how to create a good presentation, right? Yeah. So in the first slide, it will be the topic or to be learned. The topic to be learned, then my initials. The topic is electronic gadgets. Electronic gadgets. Electronic gadgets. So the presenter here, in this case right now, is again Rotmasi Heibo. I'm a student. Medicine and surgery, MBCHB. Yes. Gulu University. I can put in my contacts, which is +256785699 423. Yeah, +256. Then I had with my what? My email address. I put Saibomasi 33 at gmail.com. Yeah. Yes. So this is my information in my first slide. Then I go to I had another slide that will consist of the presentation outline. I write presentation outline. Yes, presentation outline. Then I list it. We shall be having the definition of we shall be defining electronic device, electronic gadgets. Then in the next definition, we shall be looking at the types of the electronic gadgets. The next slide, we shall be looking at the advantages, the importance of the electronic gadgets. Yes. Then the fourth point, we shall be looking at the disadvantages of the electronic gadgets. Then last slide, we shall conclude. Conclusion. Yeah. So here we go to our first slide. We first highlight this. Then I copy I copy, then I add to my new slide. I will paste it here. Then I remember we are defining electronic gadgets. So these are electronic components that uses electrical circuits. I can say these are electronic components that uses circuits to perform a specific tasks. I would have done my first presentation outline, then I'll go to I'll add on a new slide, and I click on types of the electronic gadgets. If I copy, and in my fourth slide I come and paste, we shall be looking at the types of the electronic devices. And we know the electronic devices are of different types. We have the smartwatch, the smartphones, the smartphone. We have the electronic cooker, we have the speaker. Yes, we have the computer itself. Yeah. After that, we are done with this outline. We go to we had another slide. Then we highlight this other outline. I copy it. Then I paste. After pasting, yeah, I come. Now here we are supposed to talk of the importance of the electronic gadgets. First of all, it enhances communication. So, secondly, it enhances work. Thirdly, it brings happiness and to the family. Brings happiness to the family. Fourth, it is multitask. It is multitask. In that it is able to perform various tasks that humans cannot do it efficiently. About bringing happiness to the family, like if you have TikTok in your phone, obviously you'll be bumping on funny stuffs. At the end of the day, you will be very happy. And answers work, yeah, like other works a mere phone cannot do, needs a laptop or a computer. In general, what your brander phone does not do, a smartphone or a laptop does it better. Enhances communication, yes. This is what you'll be telling your audience. Just outline the points and you explain to your audience in a way best known to them. And the last stuff, we shall be looking at we shall add a new slide. and we shall be looking at the disadvantages of these gadgets. Disadvantages of these gadgets, there are quite many. Remember, everything has its own disadvantage and an advantage. So the disadvantage is that uh, corrupts students from reading. Corrupts students' time for reading. Corrupts student time for reading. Uh, as a result of these electronic devices, one can ignore his or her duties. Now we shall to put it like lack of interest in the day-to-day work. In day-to-day work. Now it is time consuming. Time consuming. The other one is uh damages sight. Damage eyesight. Damage eyesight. All this you put as points, then you explain to your audience. You break them down. Like damage of eyes when one overuses a phone or a laptop. Remember, the light that comes out of a phone, some of them even use it in darkness. So the only receptor that is being affected there is your eye. The rods and the cones will in meantime they will have effects. Like, so in a long term you find that someone has got it is colorblind, someone is short-sighted, someone is long-sighted. All these electronic devices also attributes to them. This is what you would tell your audience. Yeah. Another one is it causes pollination, that is the environment, like noise, pollution, pollution to the environment. We can see with the in terms of sound, someone plays a loud sound not knowing it is disturbing some people's peace. All these attributes that are the disadvantages of the electronic devices. So I will add the last slide where we shall have the conclusion. The conclusion. In the conclusion, I can ask you for questions. Time for questions. Time for questions. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Can put this. Can put this one in the next part. Yes, and I put it here, and I put that. Yeah, time for questions. So by that you would have created your slides, the presentation slide. Then we can now come back to designing. Yes, in the designing, I can come to design and I put the transition. Can first put design. You put any of this. Can first go to the first page, then I choose the appropriate design. uh, an appropriate design, put a design which will not which will not be so bad. Yeah, there are always various designs that you can take. Yes, there are various designs that you can take. I can take this. Yeah. So I will find out that my things have that, or I can take this, right? Yes, I can take any, but I have to take the most appropriate one. Okay, so I can take this as my stuff, and to add more, you can add in different pictures of the electronic devices that are there, like as I've done. So this is a part of you designing. Yeah, so you can design in any way you want. After that, you can put in the transition. If I'm to put this transition, I'll find out that yes, uh, you select different transition. I can take that. Yes, then I can also take this. I put a different transition. Yes, put a different transition. Yes, so you put different designs. Yes, yeah, put a different design, then you put a transition, of course. You can put some good transition. Yes, yeah, then here the definition of electronic devices, I can take on that. Yeah, make it very nice. You see, you you use all the different stuffs. Then you come to types of the electronic devices. We have this. I can take this types of electronic devices, the smartphones. Yeah. Then under the importance of the electronic devices, I can take that and answers communication, answers work, it is multitasks. Then this disadvantages of electronic device. Uh, like choose a design. Yep. This one would be so nice. Yeah. Then conclusion. In the conclusion, can put that. Conclusion. Thanks for listening and time for question. You would have designed it so well. Then of course I'll be saving it. Yes. Then I come and make I perform a I'll come and I'll perform a preview or a slideshow. In this slideshow, I'll perform a slideshow of my presentation. Can say from the beginning. Yeah. So this is it. Electronic gadgets. Garrett Mercy Hable, student. MBCHB, Google University. But I put a yes presentation outline. We're having the defining electronic gadgets. All this, yes, uh, defining electronic gadgets. Have that plus some illustrations at the background. Types of the electronic gadgets. We have that. Importance of the electronic gadgets. You have this enhancing communication, enhancing work, bring happiness to the family. It is multitasking. All this you explain to your audience. And disadvantages of the electronic devices: corrupting students' time for reading, lack of interest in the day-to-day work, time consuming and damage eyesight, pollution of the environment. Thanks, conclusion. Thanks for listening. Time for question. By this, you would have really got done with your presentation. So this is how it is. I believe you have enjoyed it and you will like it and you'll follow it. All I urge you is to do go back and practice these essentials. You can explore more in PowerPoint so to be a better person. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed night. Bye.